Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by selecting the minimal inputs that drive relevance: customer lists, landing page keywords, and 3 seed interests. Once ready, load Ads Manager or Meta Business Suite and open Audience Insights or the Interest Search. Enter each seed interest and scan suggested behaviors, pages, and related topics. Make sure to export or copy suggestions as you go. This preserves context. You do this now to create a structured list instead of guessing, which saves time when you expand into layered targeting. Once you have seeds, systematically expand by feeding each suggestion back into the search. Look at pages, behaviors, job titles, and niche subcategories. Each returns new leads. As you add items, cluster them into themes and create tiers: primary, secondary, and experimental. Make sure to check audience size and overlap. Prioritize medium-sized groups between 100,000 and 1 million to balance reach and specificity. Keep notes on why each interest maps to your customer profile so you can prune later. Now assemble your final sets: 1 tightly focused, 1 themed cluster, and 1 broader mix. Launch with 3 creative variations and track CTR, CPA, conversion rate, and ad frequency across sets. Once you see patterns, reallocate budget to winners and pair low performers after 3 to 5 days. If results are poor, troubleshoot by revisiting your seed interests, adding synonyms and niche jargon, or testing competitor and complementary brand pages. These tweaks usually reveal overlooked, high-value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.